have to be kind with her, brothers!
What?
If you're not going to do it, I'll do my salt and shine! And I'll let this happen again!
I don't want to die here.
Oh, watch out!
Is this really how it ends? What are you doing? Then stop it! Orcolero, no!
I always loved you, my brother.
Me too. Sorry for all this.
I'm stuck out.
Of course not. Orcolero, no!
I love waking up in such a good mood. It's a sunny day, and I can only feel happy to enjoy its splendor. And 1 and 2.
Good heavens! Today has to be the day Ballerina Cappuccina becomes my girlfriend. I've been waiting for this moment. Ballerina Cappuccina, I want to tell you something important.
Dancing like this never gets old for me. I could do this all
Are
day.
you even listening to me? Ballerina! All I wanted to tell you is that I love... but Ballerina, I just opened my heart for you! It's not fair, Ballerina Cappuccina! Those flowers are not for you, Trollarero, Trolala! You'll pay!
Everything's so shiny over here. Oh, hi, Butterfly. Do you really want to dance with me, too?
Don't ignore me.
Well deserved! So
You little losers! Isn't it too obvious for you? That's right, she'll marry me!
Here, little one. Oh, what was that?
Will you marry
Never seen
me?
anything that shiny in my entire life. Yes, I want it right
Little
now.
losers!
May I reach
Of
it?
course, honey!
It looks like it's my lucky day.
What? Ballerina, I love you! Come back! Oh, don't so laugh! I hate you!
I'm getting really good.
Help me! I don't want to die here! I'm too flammable for all these flames! Somebody save me! Ballerina!
1 and... What? No way!
You finally heard me, girl! Give me a hand before it's too late!
Goodness, this has to be enough.
That's it, girl! I owe you a big one!
Thank you, Chloe. Huh?
Thank you,
No way! You cannot leave me behind like this! Ballerina Cappuccina, you little traitor!
Here I go! Yummy! All of you are mine! Yum, yum! Oh, goodness, I love apples! Well, wait a minute! What is going on? I'm in trouble! Huh?
Peaceful day.
I just got stuck in this silly tree! Apples! You'll help me with all this? I can't believe it! I got a pretty good aim, man! Get her! Apple power!
What? It's my lucky day indeed.
Wait, Ballerina! You were supposed to help!
Why do you always do this to me?
It's what you deserve, bastard! Die!
I didn't mean to damage your missiles! Ballerina, help me!
Is that Ballerina? Hey, don't
Save
spoil the
me!
fun. Watch and learn, big boy.